you through a quick look at China, in a way, aiding Pakistan. And it seems like the Chinese military, who's rubbished online claims that it airlifted weapons to Pakistan using its largest cargo aircraft, the Y-20, and has threatened legal action against those spreading what it calls basically fake rumors. Well, a statement that was posted on China's Defense Ministry website called out viral images and captions, stamping them as rumors. The Air Force went a step further, warning that those who produce and spread military-related rumors will face legal action. Well, the denial here comes only days after India and Pakistan reached an understanding following days of air and ground hostilities triggered by the Pahalgam terror attack and India's retaliatory Operation Sindoor. Now, fighter jets, naval ships to missiles, submarines, Beijing and Islamabad military pipeline has been deeply established. In fact, it is a connect that one can't deny. Like the countries involved here, like Pakistan and China, claim that they're not allies here. They're not using ammunition from China. But there's a lot of information that's now surfacing that very well shows China is aiding and pushing its ammunition into Pakistan. With tensions now simmering, misinformation swirling, China's denial, of course, comes as damage control and a way to hold the diplomatic act here. Because China has often acted in the latest conflict days, has said both of them have to calm their nerves, acting like the big brother here, saying that we could mediate a peace between the two nations. But the fact is that China internally seems to be sending out ammunition to Pakistan. It's clearly established.